Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today is the day when I'll build my first diorama garage. So I bought this Brannboll display cabinet from Ikea. And I'll open it and to see how it looks and try to make it into a diorama. I had a look over the instructions and kind of have an idea how to assemble it. I'm not going to use most of the hardware that came with this are to be hung on the wall. I've made an idea how I want everything to be laid out. So I'll remove this part to make it easy. Because the cabinet is a bit taller than I was expecting, I might do 2 floors. I might add a mezzanine or something here. Because the cabinet is way too tall than I was expecting, I'm gonna use this piece of cardboard to give like an idea where is the middle. And I might add later another floor. I'll be adding 2 doors here. So I've done the back wall. I think pretty much should look like this. I might add some stickers later. I've done the same with the sides of the cabinet. Added some tape to see where is the middle and some reference point where the floor is starting from. Now I'll add some stickers to the side. This is how it looks with the stickers on the sides. I think it's enough. I might add more, but we'll see. I've added the screws just on this side because I need to put the glass panel. But before adding this glass panel, I need to peel off the protection film. I've decided to add some lights. So I have this strip of LEDs that I'm gonna attach it here to this side of the glass panel. This is how it looks assembled now. Now let's start adding accessories. After I made a lot of mess with the paper strips here, this is how it looks with the lights on. As you can see, I have plenty of stickers left, but I think would be too much if I add more. So this is the final assembly. This is how it turned up. I'm pretty happy. I've added a few more stickers to the sides and the front glass to protect it from the dust. If you have any suggestions how to make it better, just feel free to comment. As always, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.